Should I weigh on my veg patch? Is a square planting hole better than a circular planting hole? Do crushed eggshells keep slugs away? Hello, I'm John, and today we're going to be testing 5 garden myths. Should I wee on my veg patch? Now, this one is actually true. If you wee on your veg patch, you're probably going to improve the quality and the quantity of your veg. And the reason for that is science. 95% of your wee is water, and we all know that the plants need that. The other 5% contains important nutrients such as nitrogen. That's going to help the green growth of your plants. It's great for it. So the only tip I would say, if you're going to do it, make sure you water it down. We're talking probably 10 parts water to 1 part urine. But other than that, go for it. And remember, when you're doing that, you're also not wasting water because you're not flushing it down the toilet. Will coins in a bag of water keep flies away? Now, there is science behind this one. The coins are obviously shiny and they reflect and refract the light through the water, creating a prism effect. The flies have compound eyes and it confuses them. And if they're uncertain of anything, there's a chance that they're going to be the prey, so they keep away from it. That's the theory. This is one that has been myth-busted a couple of times, although I'm not sure it was done in outdoor environments. So if you're thinking you want to keep the flies away, it's a natural repellent, give it a go. Is a square planting hole better than a circular planting hole? The theory here is that in a circular hole, the roots can become girdled, wrap around themselves and not explore out into the surrounding soil. The theory is that when it's a square, it hits the corner and it goes into the surrounding soil. In truth, we're thinking of it from our height. Macroscopically, that's all wrong. When a root hits the edge, whether it's flat or a curve, it doesn't matter. It's more important to rough up the edge of your planting hole so that the root can penetrate and then let it do its thing. And while we're here, another myth, will a banana peel at the bottom of the planting hole be good for my plants? There is some truth to this in that any organic matter will break down over time and provide nutrients to your plant. And banana peels do have a bit more potassium in than some other kind of peels, but honestly, it's not going to do very much, so you're much better chucking it on your compost heap rather than in the bottom of the planting hole. Do crushed eggshells keep slugs away? Honestly, I'm afraid they don't. I've tried everything. I've actually got videos of slugs crawling across the broken eggshells. I've used coffee grounds, copper tape works a little bit, but the best thing I've found is actually wool. Natural repellent means you don't have to use any chemicals, and the slugs hate to crawl across it. It's fantastic. And you can buy wool pellets from lots of different suppliers, such as Wilco's. Works really well, keeps the slugs away, and forms a natural mat around the plants. So they were my 5 favourite garden myths. I hope you found them interesting. Are there any that you think we can cover next time? Let us know and we'll try and debunk them. Coming up, we've got my 5 top tips for the garden, and we've also got our travelling expert who's going to be answering your questions.